Hey again, it's Larry Wolf, National Training Manager with Regency Fireplace Products. I'm here today to show you the Proflame 2 advanced remote system with the intelligent ignition system built in. We're looking at the Grandview 800. To turn the Grandview 800 on, simply press the button once, the top button here. If you're in intermittent pilot mode, the pilot will light, and then 4 to 8 seconds later, the main burner will come on. If you're in continuous pilot mode, the pilot's already lit. 4 to 8 seconds later, the main burner will come on. They'll also give you then 6 stages of flame, from high to low. The fireplace will always start on high, and then you can adjust it down anywhere in between. Our next feature would be our fan. It's optional for the Grandview 800. That will give you 6 stages of fan as well, all controlled through the Proflame system. What's new to us is the Ember Bed Lighting. It'll give you 6 stages of Ember Bed. If you look at the bottom of the fireplace, just below the logs, you can see the Ember Bed lighting up. Our next option is going to be lighting from the top down like our City Series has. One click of the remote, the lights on the top of the fireplace come on and project downward. That's all there is to your new Proflame 2 advanced system. Thanks for watching.